Yeah, just let you know I'm on my way, so okay.
Okay.
I should be there about 10 minutes early. But
Yeah, I'll get you a tea, don't worry. All right then, bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. That's not
Morning, Dave, you all right?
Yeah, I'm all right.
Yeah.
So how are you doing? You okay?
Yeah, wait there. Let me just put my phone on silent.
Yeah, I've done mine already.
Okay.
Oh, God. Hey, before we start, thank you very much for sending over your gain sheet. by the
No,
way.
that's fine. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you for yours.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Couple of points off there that I found very interesting. Anyway, how's the family?
All good. Yeah. How's
Yeah.
Evelina? Okay.
Oh, do you know what? She's very sarcastic. Very, very sarcastic.
Is she?
I got home from work the other night. She said to me, what do you want to eat? I said, oh, well, what's the choices? She said, well, yes or no. Anyway.
So you ate then?
Yeah.
Should we go through this? Should we do you first?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
by the way.
okay.
Yeah.
So I've worked through your gains profile. I've got a number of different things that I'll talk through with you. Blah, 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 blah. Carry on. No, it's all like an hour later.
Absolutely.
Go.
Yeah, no problem at all. Well, it is mainly, people with property that we like to deal with.
Yeah, me the same.
Agents and property management companies, stuff like that.
Well, I've got a letting agent. I've already been in touch with him.
Fabulous.
So I have copied you, and there should be an email on your phone.
Yeah.
I've copied him already and said that you'll get in touch with him.
Absolutely brilliant.
Brilliant.
Excellent. Right. Now, to you, your turn.
Yeah, so I'm the same as you at the minute. I'm doing all things property.
Yeah.
So if you know of anyone in particular that's sort of just inherited a house from their parents,
Yeah, well, do
I'm
you know
thinking
what?
about renting
Hang
it
on
out.
a minute. I do know somebody, one of my pals. His father's just died.
Right.
He got hit by a tennis ball. Apparently, it was a lovely service. I'll just get him on the phone for you now.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Tom. Yeah, okay. Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
He's actually expecting your call.
Fantastic.
So
I'll give him a ring.
Lovely
I'll give him
to
a
speak
ring.
to you. Yeah, okay. Right, okay, what else have we got in here? Yeah. Hey, I tell you what, one thing I did like on your gain sheet, though, was how... Just explain, when you were ironing the curtains, how you fell out the window.
Sorry. You always do this to me.
It's find out about people on the gain sheet, you know.
Right.
I didn't know you could do that with Lego either. It sounds painful, that does.
Are we done? Yeah, I think really what we want you to take from this is not what we did last time. Darren posted a video, didn't he, on the group chat, because some of you weren't members at the time, of how not to do a one-to-one, and I think I ended up laughing through most of that as well. I think from our point of view, it's making sure that it isn't just an open-ended chat. You actually do something while you're there. You either speak to a client, you're sharing your contacts with people, and you actually make that worthwhile. That hour that you're with someone is worthwhile. Gains profile, for me, if you want to see an excellent gains profile, you need to have a one-to-one with Shoran, because his is absolutely...
Or Darren.
Yeah,
Darren's
his is
very good as well.
Yours is absolutely amazing, I think.
Yeah.
I think the only time I would do anything differently is if you're having potentially a one-to-one with someone for the first time. Maybe that goes in a little bit too heavy, because you want to get to know, like, and trust that person before potentially you then open up your client book. So maybe a one-to-one with someone for the first time is a little bit different.
And a couple of things that we hope you picked up on there, obviously, when you are going into your one-to-one meeting. I did phone Zoe to let her know that I was perhaps potentially maybe late. I wasn't in the end, but I was maybe late. Zoe was already there and she was there early. Okay, I had a pen, which we didn't have a pen last time.
No.
And I did a little bit of research on her. You know, I printed off her gains profile and I brought it with me. So I'd done some background on Zoe about what she was looking for, what her interests are and everything else. If you, like I say, like Zoe said, if you're not sure about what the gains is, speak with Shoran or Darren. But yeah, just do a little bit of research on that person beforehand and that will massively benefit you.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, everyone.
Yeah, I'll...